Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to our lessons from English Line. So today we are going to talk about purpose sentences. Purpose, you can translate it into your language, but purpose means the goal, the aim. With what purpose you do something. It's your aim, it's your motivation, right? So, as you remember, before studying any grammatical construction, you have to understand the structure, right? So, number one rule, know the structure, right? So, the structure for purpose sentences is the following. We have a subject, somebody who does the action, then action, right? And then we have verb construction, to and the first form of the verb. Alright? Now we have one more construction for purpose sentences. It is again, we have the subject, somebody or something who does the action, the actual action, and for plus verb with ing ending, or you can use, instead of a verb ing, you can use a noun. Alright? So this is the basic structure for purpose sentences. Now I will give you some examples. For example, I go to school to study English. I go to school to study English. So, here, as you can see, I is a subject, go is an action. I go to school. With what purpose? To study English. So this is your purpose, and we have our construction to and verb, to study, alright? So I go to school. With what purpose? I go to school to study English. So let's make the same sentence with the following construction. Let's change it. So the same sentence, I go to school. For our verb is study, for studying, for studying English. So you have the second construction for verb ing, right? So this is our purpose. So again, subject, action, and your purpose. I go to school to study English and I go to school for studying English is completely the same meaning, alright? Just the structure is different. So let's write one more example. For example, I go to work to earn money. Super easy. I go to work with what purpose? To earn money. To earn money. And let's change it with a second construction. I go to work for earning money. For earning money. Right now, don't think about what's the name of earning, earn. Just remember the construction that it's a verb with ing, and this is the zero form of the verb. So to earn, for earning, right? The meaning is the same. Subject, action, subject, action. I go to work to earn money. I go to work for earning money. Alright? Let's write one more example. I go to the shop to buy some vegetables, right? I go to the shop or to the market to buy some vegetables. Vegetables. Be careful about pronunciation of the word vegetables, not tables or something. Vegetables. Alright? So again, we have the first construction here. With what purpose do you go to the shop? I go to the shop or to the market to buy some vegetables, right? The same. I go to the market for buying some vegetables. All right? For buying. Super easy. To verb, for verb ing, right? So, now you can make your own sentences. For example, I go to the hospital to meet my doctor. I go to the hospital for meeting my doctor. Now, make some sentences about where do you go and with what purpose. You can change this verb. It shouldn't be all the time go. You can make sentences with any other verb. All right? Now, for example, I will give you another sentences. The thing that I want to add here, that sometimes in this construction, we can use the negative form. So this form is positive, plus we also can use the negative one. So to verb, not to, and our verb. So this one is negative. This is positive. All right? So I will clean these sentences and we'll write to you some other examples. So you don't use just the verb go. The verbs can be different. For example, I go to the gym. Let's make first positive, then negative. I go to the gym to lose weight. To lose weight. So the verb to lose, it means to lose kilos, right? So I go to the gym to lose weight. This is positive verb. We have to lose. So the same construction. I go to the gym not to gain weight, not to gain kilos, not to gain weight. Right? So the verb to lose and to gain, they are opposite verbs. That's why when they're opposite, we have to write not, because usually when you go to the gym, if you want to lose weight, you say the same meaning, but the verb is different. Not to gain weight. Okay? You can translate the sentences into your language and then you'll get the point. All right? Next, for example, let's change this verb into another one. I eat healthy to stay fit, for example. I eat healthy to stay fit. Why do you eat healthy? With what purpose do you eat healthy? I eat healthy to stay fit. To stay fit, right? This construction. And let's change this sentence into negative. So here we have positive. This is negative. It's positive. I eat healthy not to get ill. Not to get ill. I don't want to get ill. So in order not to get ill, I eat healthy. I eat healthy not to get ill. This is negative. So they are opposite meanings, right? But the purpose is the same. You want to be healthy, you want to be fit, you don't want to get ill, and so on, right? Positive construction, negative construction. Sometimes you can use this part also negative. You see, I eat is a positive. Sometimes it can be negative. Let's make some examples. So I will write it here. I will clean this side. For example, I don't eat sweets. I don't eat sweets. Why? With what purpose? To stay fit, right? So here you use the negative part in this construction, right? I eat healthy. I don't eat sweets. Why don't you eat sweets? To stay fit. Why do you eat healthy? Not to get ill. So when you understand the meaning of the sentences, that what kind of purpose do you have, you will not confuse it. So again, this side can be positive, negative, doesn't matter. Positive, negative, doesn't matter, right? So, purpose sentences, very easy. To, verb, for, verb ing, or noun, right? For example, you can say, let's make the example for this construction. So this is extra. I learn English for my project. I learn English for my project. So you have subject, I learn English is an action for what? For my project. Project is a noun, right? So I learn it for my project, for being successful, for traveling. I learn English for speaking with everyone, right? You can mix these sentences. So, my friends, your task is now to make some sentences. One construction with positive, with negative, one construction with verb ing or with noun. Minimum 4 sentences about your life. What kind of purpose do you have when you go to work, when you learn a new language, right? Why do you wake up early? With what purpose? Make some sentences, purpose sentences, using this construction. Write them and say them. Be real. Imagine your life. All right? So, be real with your examples. So, look at the board one more time. Thank you very much. I hope it was very easy. And good luck to you. See you soon.